I've been using the studio space now for about 3 months, and as you can tell, I gotta clean up a little bit, but I'm also gonna upgrade a few things. When I very first set up the studio, one of the channel members recommended wall-mounted light mounts. Anyway, that way I don't have tripods in the way, because you can see that these sound dampening blankets are on these tripods and they're in the way. You can't move it and close them. So I went and bought not just one set, but 2 sets of these wall mount light stands. Wall light mounts. Anyway, we're gonna install these, we're gonna clean up in here, and we're gonna upgrade this room to make it more me. How hard can it be? Look, there's a box in a box. Oh, 2 boxes in a box. All right, so the idea is that this goes on the wall, let's say right here, and I can move it up and down by loosening this so the light can go up and down all the way to the top. It stretches, and it could also move side to side. It's a little tight, I gotta loosen this bolt here. And that's the idea, I can have free range of motion with the light, so when I'm not doing it, I could fold it right into the wall, and that sounds awesome. First things first, I gotta find the studs. You can see that, I mean, the stud's gonna be that couple inches. This is very wide, and the screws are supposed to go here to support the weight. If this doesn't work with just 2 screws on a stud, then I have another idea. I'll put a block out platform, screw that into the stud, and then put this on that platform. But I'm gonna try, it's not very heavy, so I'm gonna try with just these first and see what happens. I just can't do anything with gloves. This is ridiculous. All right, change of plans. Instead of doing everything 3 times like I normally do, I'm gonna try to do it right the first time. Okay, so there you have it. Here's one light set up. I can't believe it's taken me like 3 hours to do one. I got 3 more to go, but that goes in any direction. I can move the light up and down. It also swivels back and forth. Perfect. So this is my main light, my key light. Now I need to set up a fill light on that side and then the sound panels. But now that I got a better idea what I'm doing, I think it's gonna go a little bit faster. All right, now this is why I don't trust technology so much. So here's the stud finder. Nothing. Nothing. You can see the screws here on the sheetrock, so I know there's a stud here. Okay, so I can trust these screws and I'm in line with the other light. Perfect. There's more here, but I don't want to use those. I want to be in line. I want to be even, which is right here. All right, let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna keep on working. I got 2 more frames to cut out and do the sound panels and then clean up and stuff because I got a mess in here again. You can see the table. It is just loaded with stuff. What do you think? Look at that. Look at that print up there. Doesn't that look cool? That was one of my favorite shots from the Oregon coast. I was flying the drone just in time, and it's 6, 6, and 6. It's a huge pano, and I think it looks great in that size. I also finally hung up those pictures up here on the wall, and I removed the big warm thing that was here in the background. It kind of got in the way there, and then I just replaced it with the COB light just to give me a little bit of a rim light here. You can see it on my arm and separate me from the background. But the biggest improvement here was these swivels on the light stands. You can see that there's no more light stands on the floor. There are these arms, boom telescopic arms, that hold the lights and give me a lot more space to move around. I have another one here, and they move all the way around. You can see that. And then I have these other arms I put up for my sound panels, these sound curtains. That way I don't get the echo as loud in here. So that when I'm talking over there, the sound stops here. Now they're retractable, there's nothing in the way. I can clean easier. Let's go with that. That's why I haven't cleaned in 3 months. See, I can go up and over, down, they adjust, they go all the way around, this turns. So it really makes this area a lot more usable. Back to the light stands, I did purchase these. They weren't the easiest to install, not what I expected. And then see these, I had to cut the bolts because when I close the arm, it hits. And I still don't know if it's supposed to go all the way, like 180 degrees or not, but I don't know. That's the best I could do. I didn't see any instructions, so I'm gonna leave it like that for now. So there you have it. The light stands are the upgrade to the room. I think this is gonna make a huge difference. Anyway, I wanted to thank you guys so much for your birthday wishes last week. I've been busy doing other stuff, so I haven't had a chance to make a video. But it was awesome. I had a great time on the Oregon coast. Got to shoot more photos with circles in the sand. Bambi had a fabulous time. I went to a beach and I recognized it from a TV show where you can find gold and stuff. So I brought a bucket home and I've already found a couple flakes of gold. Well, I wouldn't call them flakes. It's tiny, tiny miniature gold, but I found gold in the Oregon coast. It ended up being a fantastic trip. Great food in Bandon, Oregon. Amazing weather. Surprisingly, the Oregon coast, got to see some whales jumping out of the water. That was really cool. I've never seen that before. I shot more photos for Circles in the Sand. Bambi loves the beach. Bambi was super happy to see friends. And I found some gold. How could you go wrong with that? So anyway, thank you so much for all the birthday wishes. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I still want to do something about that box there. For now, I just put my photography booklets there, but I want to cover it or something. I don't like how that looks, especially if I'm using this like this, or I don't know. What do you guys think? What should I put there? It just kind of doesn't go there. I don't use it as a heater, so it's just kind of in the way. Anyway, any ideas, I'll appreciate them.